Hello guys, and welcome to our season 2 reviews, and it's called officially now our season 2 Birds of Prey review. That's what I'm going to do every time now. Yes, and welcome to our season 2 Birds of Prey review. Yes, it was a Huntress returns again. Yeah, it was really good, fantastic, brilliant, and awesome as well. And great cast again. It was really good, and bringing Helen back. I think they're going to do that in season 3 again, bring her back in episode 17 again. Probably, I don't know. Yeah, great director John Brennan, and great writers Mark Preston and A.C. Bradley. I will get to the review in a moment. I will change our now to our season 2 and season 1, just the title of the episode, and just write review. That's what I'm going to do now. And yeah, Chicago 5 will be still the same as season 1 reviews, and then I will change it halfway through the reviews. That's what I'm going to do now. Yeah, yeah, it was really good, fantastic episode. Awesome as well, thumbs up for that. Great cast. Yep, boom. Yeah, great cast. Oh yeah, bitch. Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, small sneeze, man. Fine, guys. Yeah, trying to be official. Yeah, model. Oh yeah, give me the picture. Boom, 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 boom. Hey. It was a really good episode, fantastic, brilliant as well. Yeah. Yeah. And here's the plot. Which I will be doing. Oliver and Sarah assist a police raid and in progress help capture Frank Brecher. Oliver quickly realizes that Frank's daughter Helena will return to kill Frank once she learns that her father is in a police custody. Laura is asked to return to district announcement office to try Frank's case. But she discovers that is rushed to draw out Frank's daughter. Helena shows at the courthouse and takes hostage in exchange for her father. Sarah goes to the courthouse as the Canary to rescue Laurel, but Helena overpowers Sarah and demands that Oliver deliver Frank in exchange for Laurel. Oliver delivers Frank, but he is killed in crossfire with SWAT. Officer Lance arrests Helena after Sarah stops her. And despite the rush, the district attorney hires Law to avoid scandal. Roy breaks up the scene when he realizes that he is in danger to her as long as he couldn't control the side effects of the miracle. In flashbacks, they demand Sarah return one of those escapees who can fix the engines of the ship, or else he will kill Oliver. Sarah and the escapees prepare to kill him because they're back against his will. What's going on? I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, it was really good, fantastic, awesome as well. Yeah, I will, yeah, it was really good. Great episodes. Awesome as well. That's not all I say. But it was fantastic and brilliant. And yeah, I loved it. It was really awesome as well. So yeah, I will give this review, give this Birds of Prey, and I will give this episode um, this episode 9.8, no, 8.9 out of 10 because and the A minus because it's really awesome as an episode and really good as well. And yeah, if you can subscribe, share, and like if you want to, guys. Yeah. And my next review will be next week and Deathstroke. Oh yeah. Episode 18 of season 2. There's only got Man Under the Hood, Sydney Red, and City Bus, Streets of Fire, Unthinkable. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, bitch. Yeah. Yes. The Man on the Hood will be um I will probably do Deathstroke tomorrow, and then Man on the Hood next week, and then Seeing Red on Thursday. That's all we'll probably will be doing for now on, I think. I don't know. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and yeah, and see you see you whenever, guys. Yeah. I have to do Scar Fire now, and please, there may be a fire. Oh no! Would the team Scar Fire fight and find them? I don't know.